Hello, this is a video demonstration on Teddy, an automated tool for Pythonic idiom detection. Teddy is a tool that's divided into two major modes, called the prevention mode and detection mode. In the prevention mode, the tool will be running to check your Pythonic idioms within the pull request of your GitHub repository. While in the detection mode, it will tell you since the start of your project until now what the evolution of your Pythonic idiom usage was. So let's start off with prevention mode. To use prevention mode, you'll have to follow an easy two-step installation guide. First of all, you'll have to give access to Teddy MUICT as a collaborator to your repository. This is to prevent spam on our bot, and it allows the bot to access private repositories. This is the sample account you'll see called Teddy MUICT. Once that, you can press the install button. Once clicked, it will redirect you to this page. In this example, the bot has already been installed on the GitHub repository. So, here's a sample account which does not have the bot installed. You may click install to confirm the installation location, choose the repositories you want it installed, and simply click install. Once installed, it will tell you the permissions the bot has access to, and you can change repository access or even uninstall the bot. Now that the bot has been installed in our repository, we will now be using TensorFlow's TFX. Now, the bot is technically not installed into TensorFlow's TFX, so I've cloned the whole repository into my own, and we'll be doing a test using a pull request and a testing branch. In the testing branch, I've added a total of 6 files into it, which will show how the bot works. So, by clicking pull request and creating a pull request, taking a while, the bot will slowly process through the whole files that are added. Added 6 testing purpose files, and it will pop down a comment like this. So the bot has scanned through all the additional files, and it's suggesting that in the second file of npl file reading statement, there's a recommended example that we use. Now that we're done with the prevention mode, we'll be showing off the detection mode, which will show you the evolution of Pythonic idiom usage of your repository. We'll be using TensorFlow's TFX again as the example. Now, in this process, it'll take a while to run, so once we click Analyze, this is an expedited process that we've made. So these are the non-idiomatic and idiomatic code occurrences in each file of the project with each commit. You'll see the file names to the left and the commit numbers below. So these can go on to the latest commits from commit number 0. And it'll be separated by a color of green and red, green being the idiomatic usage and red being the non-idiomatic usage. So let's zoom in. And you'll see some different shapes as well. Each shape will represent each type of idiomatic usage as well. So for example, this is an idiom called the if statement, and on the red part you'll see the idioms for string formatting. And now you'll see some different shapes and colors on the datatypes.py right here. That means there's a usage of both non-idiomatic and idiomatic Python, but mostly they've been using non-idiomatic at most occurrences and most cases. So you'll be able to check through the whole process and see how your project went from start to finish. For example, in the dependencies utils, you'll see that during the start, there's been a lot of non-idiomatic Python usage, and then later on, it starts to be normally, it starts to be idiomatic Python instead. So yes, this is the usage of the detection mode.